Hackers target your WordPress login page every day. Here are 2 free plugins that can hide your wp-login.php page. Each one works differently, so choose the one that best fits your needs. WPS Hide Login. Step 1. Download and activate the plugin from the WordPress directory. Step 2. Go to Settings, then click General. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the WPS Hide Login section. Step 4. In the Login URL field, enter your new custom login path. Step 5. In the Redirection URL field, you can choose where visitors are sent if they try to access the old login page. Step 6. Click Save Changes. Your custom login URL is now live. Go to your site and try accessing the old login page. You'll either see an error or be redirected. Now open your new custom URL and you'll be able to log in normally. Admin Login URL Change. Step 1. Download and activate the plugin from the WordPress directory. Step 2. Go to Admin Login Slug. Step 3. Enter your desired login URL slug. Step 4. Click Save Changes. And that's it. Try accessing the old login page. It won't work. Then use your new custom URL, and you'll be able to log in successfully. For additional protection, check out Prevent Direct Access Gold to secure your media files, or Password Protect WordPress Pro to protect your content. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.